Firestick versus YouTube TV. Which TV platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to compare Firestick and YouTube TV to help you decide which one is better for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Firestick is a streaming device while YouTube TV is a live TV service. Over here, Firestick connects to your TV via HDMI, giving access to apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and YouTube TV. After that, let's talk about the pros of Firestick. Over here, Firestick is a one-time purchase with no monthly fees. Then it supports 4K and HDR, comes with Alexa voice control, and allows users to install multiple streaming apps. Now, moving on to the cons. Over here, Firestick does not include live TV channels, so you need separate subscriptions. Then, the interface contains ads, which some users may find annoying. After that, let's discuss YouTube TV. Over here, YouTube TV is a paid subscription service that provides access to 100 plus live channels, including sports, news, and entertainment. Then it comes with unlimited DVR storage, allowing users to record shows anytime. Now, moving on to the cons. Over here, YouTube TV is expensive, costing $72.99 per month, and it still includes ads on live TV. Then it has limited international content compared to other streaming services. After that, let's compare which one is better. Over here, Firestick is best if you want an affordable streaming device to access multiple apps. Then YouTube TV is better if you need a cable TV replacement with live sports, news, and entertainment. So that's the comparison between Firestick and YouTube TV. That's all for this video.